Hi, it's Kozue. I went to Seria for the first time in a while and found this. Has it been around for a long time? It's a nail silicone mold. You can make your own nail accessories. Well, even if you don't make them yourself, you can buy both parts at 100 yen shops. The real benefit of making your own parts is that you can create them in your favorite colors. On the back, the instructions are written really clearly, though only in Japanese. This red text part is probably the most important. To prevent undercure, deeper parts should be cured in several layers. If gel doesn't cure properly, only the surface hardens while the inside stays squishy, and that uncured gel gets trapped inside the part. If you wear an accessory like that on your nail, the squishy uncured gel can seep out, and your skin ends up being exposed to uncured gel. That could lead to gel allergies. They don't mention uncured gel here, but uncured gel can contribute to allergies. The big bowl is actually pretty deep. I'll need to cure it in several layers. Oh, and the small bowl is deeper than I expected too. I thought maybe I could stamp on it, but nope, that's not happening. I'm gonna use Seria's tip form to give the bowl a curve. I'll press a mold onto the tip form like this and cure it while holding that shape. I'm using Seria's gel polish milky white, filling around half of the mold. When I bend the mold inward like this, the air bubbles become easier to see. I gently remove the bubbles with a toothpick. Then I wipe off gel that overflowed onto the edges using paper towel soaked with ethanol. If you press a paper towel too hard, the gel will soak into it and you'll lose the gel you just filled in, so I just lightly sweep the surface. I cured it while holding the tip foam against the mold like this. In my plan, once I removed the mold, the gel was supposed to stay on the mold side, but it stuck to the tip foam instead. And the gel that overflowed from the mold looks like it leaked everywhere, like a little accident. What is this? But I couldn't quite give up, so I cut off the leaked part and kept going. Oops. Yeah, this is just not working. Definitely a fail. This time, I'm making it normally without the tip form. I scrape it with a nail stamping scraper, then gently wipe it with ethanol. After curing one side, I flip it over and cure the other side as well. I wipe off the uncured gel with ethanol. Oh, right. Seria's gel might not leave an uncured layer, huh? Well, anyway. It just wouldn't come out of the mold. It felt pretty soft, so I thought it might be undercured, but apparently not. I cut it in half with a craft knife later, and it was fully cured inside. For gel nails, I'd use foil glue gel. For polish, I'd stick it on with eyelash glue and finish with top coat. I'm going to use Seria's white gel to make a different bowl shape this time. It was so much easier to clean it with a cotton swab soaked in ethanol. Both sides are fully cured now. For the second layer, I'm doing the exact same steps as the first layer. I wipe it with ethanol just in case. Technically, the side that touched the mold shouldn't have any uncured gel, but if you're worried about it, you can give it a light wipe with ethanol. Oh, it still feels a bit soft. Was Seria's gel always this soft? I cut the bowl open too, and there was no squishy uncured gel inside. So cute. I wondered how it would turn out with magnet gel, so I tried making one with Born Pretty's ABC. Ah, right. You can see how the magnetic particles look on the front side. I just went ahead and made it as is. For the second layer, I added more gel, scraped it with the scraper, and then cleaned it. I clean off the uncured gel and remove it from the mold. This gel is definitely harder than the one from Seria. If you want the bow to match your nail curve, just drop it into hot water and bend it into shape. With the Seria mold, I was able to make such cute little bows. I wonder if they have shapes other than bows? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!